turn my car into a living space.
Hi, chicken.
Steely do for water. I like it. Should the first day living in my car. I'm so excited. The tank. How am I supposed to get in there? Got it. Alright, so first part is done. Remove the seats. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna start this build pretty simple because I really gotta get living in it and make money because I'm broke. Nothing in the build is done yet, but I was just too eager to spend a night in there, so still at my mom's house. I put my old foam bed I had in my van when I was living in it. Cooler, yeah, electronics, and I'm plugged into the house. Yeah, let's keep going on this build. Alright, let's build a bed frame so I can put it in this thing. First, gotta take the sawing bench that's all the way over there.
Hi, chickens.
How you doing? And close this so you don't go pooping inside. Go get the rest of the wood. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Now gotta do the legs. Now I gotta measure my leg length because they're all gonna be a little different height. Oh no, my safety glasses broke. Still works. Now that all my pieces are cut, I can get to drilling. Time for the legs. We got a problem, y'all. Forgot that this corner was going there, so I had to remove one of the legs. Like, it barely fits, and alright, had to redo a bunch of things, so I did it off camera because I was pissed, but now I think it's good. Cut this corner here so it fits better. An inch all the way so I have more space at the back. And then here, put this thing there. Another one over there, and then here, and then yeah, that's it. I think I'm done for the day now. I'm poofed. Bye. I still have a bunch of stuff from when I was living on a minivan, and I think I'm going to be able to reuse most of it, including this old Coleman cooler. I think it's pretty cool. And then this is a foam mattress I got custom made for me, and it fits in there too. Hell yeah. Neato. I'm gonna take this bad boy. Oops. So this daily do for water. Trusty inverter, little burner for food, and I don't know, a bunch of little knickknacks. Lights. So yeah, I'm gonna put it all in there and should be good. Next step is to take some measurement, cut this thing, and make some window covers so nobody can see what I'm doing in there at night. Almost perfect. I realize I don't have enough of this material and I'm broke, so it's gotta wait. But for now, let me show you how it's going to look like. Bed for Mushroom, my dog. And here I put my laptop. This this is what I do all my editing on. And down there is a toad, you know, clothes and shit. Penny board. Like this is like my little office editing place. I like it. And then here are some food and then cooking items, dry food, and I have like a little heater and also a little 1 burner stove, small chair, ukulele, stuff. And we have another access here for the beer, my synthesizer, camera stuff, and there I call it the tech box. And over here I have some drawers with like, there's not a whole lot in there for, you know, teeth, and then a bunch of random knickknacks, and my water, dog food, other dog stuff, and I have leashes down there. So yeah, that's how it's gonna start. Obviously it's a work in progress, there's a bunch of other stuff I need, and tomorrow we start this journey.
Good morning.
Officially the first day living in my car. I'm so excited. Just gotta do some driving because there's no gig at works in this town. Alright, just got my first order of the day from over there, and they bring pillows. Alright, let's do this. Well, that didn't last long. I got my first order and now my car won't start. I tried jumping it, didn't work. I'm guessing it's the starter, and once again I'm waiting for it to the starter is bad. They have to order the part. I'm gonna get stuck here for a while. Honestly, it pisses me off. Woo! Only took 1 day and I'm back on the road. Best mechanic ever! Let's go! Just finished my first order and I made $10. Let's going! Now sitting in a McDonald's, waiting for the next order. Right, Messi? Alright, got an order for Valentine. Accept. Doordash bag. Excuse-moi, commande Doordash pour Kevin Air. I'm getting to know this place better, so I knew the closest entrance to the food court. Right there. Voilà, un peu j'ai le Pepsi. Bonne journée. Alright. One more done. Right, I'm starving. I haven't eaten today. I've just been going go, go, go. Peanut butter and bread. Hate when this happens. First dip. Ooh, yeah. Y'all, look at the order I got. I see 14 items. I'm like, oh no, none of the grocery stores. They're never good, but no. It's 14 veggie platter of fucking sushi. This is full of sushi. Have some one down there. Woo! Better get a good tip. Looks like some sort of business. They said to call once I get there. Oui, livraison Yuzu. Just gonna move là. Maybe she's thinking I'm at the other entrance. Non, c'est pour une livraison Doordash. Il y a quelqu'un qui s'en vient en bas.
En plein milieu du chemin. Je voudrais vous décaler un
me
peu.
mettre en arrière du bus. Good thing I'm working, and I don't know. Usually those kind of situations would stress me out way more. I'm like, clearly shouldn't be here. It's weird. It's a big building. There's people walking around, and but yeah, I've been told there's a lady coming with a little cart. Shipped it to fucking $100. Hell yeah! Holy shit! Woohoo! Hey man, that pumped me. Hey, wahoo! So my goal was to make $100 today. I was already over that, and then I got that $100 tip. But now it's dinner time, I'm happy, so I'm gonna keep going. So here is the spot I found for me in Mushroom. Oh look, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like snowing right now. Yeah, this little random area. It's right by the river. Yeah, just hope I don't get bothered by the police or something. Ugh.
Right, one mush.
You can see it now, look. Alright, he stopped hailing. Let's go check out that river.
Come on, mushy. Come on, let's go.
Who doesn't love rivers? It's funny how any human is naturally drawn to bodies of water.
Oh yeah, mush.
Wow. That's fucking gorgeous. Yeah, had to put another layer. It's still cold in Quebec. Colder than it should be at this time of year. It's gonna get to -2 felt, -6 Celsius tonight. But I think we cozied up. It's gonna be fine.